Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. So first up here, once you open your Microsoft Word, so we have a sample here. So we just have to select this word here and we're going to insert a hyperlink. So to do that, you just need to click on the insert button right there at the top left, basically here. And then we're going to click on this link right there. And then you just need to enter the web address where you want to go on this website. So basically here we're going to go to that website here, for example here on my YouTube page or YouTube channel. So right click on that one and copy, and here right click, and then we're going to paste here. Once done, click on OK button, and if you actually hover your mouse in this link, you can see control plus click to follow that link. So let's do that, control plus click, and it will show you that link right there. So yeah, that's how you basically insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.